All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof short wheelbase with 33,000 miles, white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, backup camera, power windows, power door locks, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty nice. I do see some damage up there. I'll get a ladder and check that out. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no reps. Looks good. Looks good. Does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, you do have a light for tire pressure. No other lights. 33,241 is the mileage. Let's check out that damage. My partner. All right, so we do have a little bit of damage right here. 3, 6, about 9 to 10 inches right here from here to here. Not a big deal. All right, guys, the rest of it looks pretty good. Actually, no, I see a dent right there. You can actually see it on the reflection. There's a dent there. Very small, but it is there. And let's check out back here. Your rear bumper looks good. Check out the roof here. Got a little dent here. There you go on a side view. And a dent right here. Boom, which I folded this in. So dent there as well. Alright. And on this corner of the door, I just saw my partner Edgar just pointed out from Edgar's Mobile Detailing. This is good. A little dinghy here, another one there. Let's check out these doors. Now the doors do swing out all the way. Do not have any qualms here. Of course, this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Your wheel wells look good. As to this one, got a dent there and another one there. So one of your doors looks like very nice. The paneling looks good. Normally it looks all beat up, but not on this one. And this door looks good as well. All right. The rest of this, you got two little things. 1, 2. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. On the door, you got 1, 2 dings there. Here on the corner, I see a dent from here coming around to about here. All right. And then, of course, the dent up there, as I showed. Boom, on the other side. That's pretty much it. Move my ladder to the side here. Got a dent here with some paint off. And of course, this is what your rear, what your side cargo area looks like. These lights shine so beautiful. All right, and of course, here's your rear passenger seat. The other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Door looks good. This quarter looks good. Your rear passenger, your front passenger hubcap. Front passenger steel wheel. Got a dent up here. I just noticed right there. Let's just show that one too. All lights are working, car is on, things are great. Folks, once again, this is 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof short wheelbase with 33,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.